No legs, I'm floating. If you're wondering why, this episode is going to be a little funky. It wouldn't make any sense. It defies odds, it defies science, it defies everything. Like, look, forget all the things you think you know about science. This one is is African science, and that is it. All I can tell you is that wait to the end of the video and I'll get to reveal how what you're about to see is all possible. A little magical moment. By the way, I'm Carlo Franklin, and then this is Tourism GH channel where we talk about tourism, everything in Volta region and then Ghana as a whole. So before I start, I want to say a big shout out to Strong Cats, for giving me a nice new look. I don't know how I look in the camera. They can tell me, yeah, boy, you already look ugly, so you just got even a whole lot uglier. For a start, Ho is a wonderful place to live in. It's peaceful, there's no traffic, there's just peace of mind, and I love it. That is why I moved here. Well, apart from family anyway. But Ho is beautiful. But you know what is even way more wonderful than everything else? Asogli Festival. This festival is so colorful, it's so grand, one of the biggest in the Volta region, if not the biggest. Way back 2015, when a certain girl, crazy enough to agree to spend her life with me anyway, we shot this episode of the Asogli Festival. It was nice, it was really beautiful, we had a lot of colorful events. They even enacted the slave days when I got collies and then blah, blah, blah. And there were a lot of nice performances. So all these videos, no credit to me, my girlfriend, well, now wife, was the one who actually shot all these guys. So it was nice, and then we moved to 2016. 2016 was also really nice. It was cool. The festival, a lot of colorful things, pictures and videos. As you can see, it's good. It's all good. And it got kicked up in high gear in 2018. Togbe Afedes was celebrating his anniversary, I think 25th anniversary or something, and then everything took a whole new level. A lot of performances went on, a lot of other stuff went on. Apart from launching free Uber, we have Uber in Ho. I told you that we have. So apart from launching free Uber in Ho, which became very popular now, and then a lot of skating and a lot of other outdoor events, one performance was just exceptional. It was too good to be true. These guys, take a look at them.
Performing now is the Zagbeto group from Aflau. Now this Zagbeto to Aflaua, all my two women, the Mujaka enemy.
question is, well, what are these? There are obviously some hearts and something with some people inside. Well, not exactly. They are not. They are not. Well, from what we know, from what we can see, you and I can see, it's just a heart, looks like a heart made of a touch and then some kind of frame around it with something that appears to be a leg or legs under it, moving it and quills and stuff like that. Well, that is not exactly true. It's made of heart anyway, but a whole lot more is happening here. There's a lot of physics, black man physics and black man science going on around here. So the things dance around, they can move around and a whole lot, but they perform some wonderful things that it just blows. Kaboom. There's no human being inside. Let me tell you why. Let me explain. Wait, let me explain. First of all, looking at the sheer size of this thing, it's taller than some human beings. It's tall, it's big, so it means it's quite heavy. So one human being cannot stay in that thing for long. Like, you can't stay in that and carry it. It will be heavy. Well, okay, let's say 2 people. If 2 people are inside, how can they move and then synchronize and dance really nicely like that? Like, well, it got to a point where they topple the thing over. They turn it over and then we looked under and zero. No legs. Nothing. Like, what? Like, yeah, I know. I can't explain myself, but that's what happened. That's what we saw. That's what the camera saw.
All photographers to give some space, some create space within the arena for our chiefs and all others to also witness what is happening. All photographers, especially those who haven't got any accreditation, please give some space in the arena so that all invited guests and our chiefs can also see what is happening. Ida Google photographer, Wajaraba, Eba Namo, Eba Yama Mebewa, Watwa, Anyami Gelajo, Etuome, Yana Visa, Beto, Aplau, Yogel Etuome.
If that wasn't freaky enough, something strange happened somewhere along the line. You see this? This is a dead pigeon without wings or it's just dead. You can see the little blood on it and then no feathers. So they took this pigeon, showed it to everybody, and placed it inside the touch thingy, the heart touch thingy, and shook it for a little while, shook it like we can see. Well, here's what happened to my camera. Watch. it's not a mistake. It's not a mistake. Well, that's where the recording ended. Okay, that's where the video actually ended. The video file is really long. When it's playing, it plays to this point and then there's darkness. Nothing else happens again for about 15, 20 seconds and the video ends over there. I don't have the rest. But let me tell you what happened. That pigeon went under the thing. They brought it out and then it had feathers now and it flew off, like it flew away and I know. Okay, let me assume that my camera was faulty, so it was me. I spoke to the other camera guys to get their footage. Either their camera got spoiled in the middle of the event, or the data corrupted on the card, or the card got missing or something. There's no record of the pigeon coming out of it and flying away. If you were there to see it in person, yay. Hey, guys in Ho, if I'm lying, tell me I'm lying. Those who were actually at the event 2018, you saw this thing with the pigeon flying out. Well, no camera has it on record. If you have a camera or a cameraman who was there and shot it and you have it on record, please let me know. Because I reached out to most of the guys I know and they don't have it. There's one photographer at Kekeli FM. If you know him, get him. I already mentioned his name here and ask him about it. He had the data and then he woke up one day and then all his things were stolen. The laptop, the camera, everything gone. So no one has the record of it. It got even weirder. The moment the pigeon came out of the thing and flew off, there was a drone in the air. One guy around, he used to be around Civic Center. I already mentioned his name also. Well, the drone was there filming everything. The drone didn't crash, it didn't hit anything. The next thing we knew, the drone was flying and then going all crazy and it landed on the floor. Hold on, if I said landed, it would be good. Like it didn't, like it just crash landed. Good, it was like, look, I know you're watching this, and if I'm lying, tell me in the comment that, Frankie, this is a lie. The long and short of it is that there was nothing of that incident. Look, let me take you back a little. So this is what my camera got, okay?
All photographers to give some space and create space within the arena for our chiefs and all others.
Playing, and poof. That's all I got. That's all I got. And all this might sound like some kind of Frankie, you are doing a nice channel, why do you bring this whole thing up? Look, just when I thought I've had enough of it and I was doing a little research about this group, I came across something interesting online. I didn't shoot this for you to tell me I'm faking the whole thing. And this is even, oh boy, this is hold on. Did you see that? Wait. Let me take it back a little. Watch this. Did you see that? It's opened up. It's I don't know how to say that, but you saw it, right? You saw that. I didn't shoot that one. I got it from someone else on Facebook. That is it. And okay, how do you explain that? Please tell me. I don't know how to explain that. I can't explain it. Like, just explain to me what is happening. I've seen that, yes? Ah, boy. All I can say is that is our science. That is black man science. That is science. And oh, is that awesome? Is that weird? I'll not try to explain. If you have an explanation or some details, please tell us under the comments. We'll be adding the blog also soon, which will be adding the link as well. So, well, if you know what it is, please tell us. We'll be glad to update this video or, make changes to what needs to be made. But hey, oh, Volta is so beautiful. Volta is beautiful. And then on that note, I would like to say, give the like button some love, give the subscribe button also some love, because look, a lot of people are watching it and they don't like to subscribe. Come on, if you don't subscribe, how do you know about what we have in Volta? We have showing a lot of things in Volta region. Look, Volta is beautiful, Volta is sweet. On that note, well, I'm still floating in the air. I don't know, I went to apply once. It looks like they gave me some of the magic too. So yeah, I'm still floating in the air. Up next, I won't tell you what is up next. So on that note, I say, see you when I see you. A sema. Wait. If I say a sema, you can't say me. This one, you can't. There's no you can say this one, me. So, should I say a sema? Okay, for this one, me sema already, so you don't say me. See you when I see you. Come on, seriously. I'm floating. I'm a flower boy, Benka.